Hello friends, do you know that you can boost your collagen by simply adding natural ingredients to your drinking water? It really is that simple. And today I'm going to share 5 powerful natural ingredients that when added to your daily water can boost collagen, improve skin elasticity, support skin repair, and give you incredible anti-aging benefits. But first, we need to know why collagen starts breaking down. Collagen does not disappear overnight. It starts breaking down silently long before you actually see it on your face or body. It happens because of inflammation, poor nutrient absorption, dehydration, and cellular aging. And here's something most people don't realize. Your daily drinking water can either speed up aging or slow it down, depending on what you add to it. The ingredients I'm sharing today are science-backed. They don't just work on the surface, they work inside your body. And for each one, I'll tell you exactly how it boosts collagen, how to use it, and when to take it for best results. I'm sure most of you already know these ingredients, but knowing the deeper science behind them is what brings real results. And here's the first ingredient: cinnamon. Anti-glycation power. Let's start with cinnamon sticks, not powder, but sticks. Cinnamon is a powerful anti-glycation ingredient, which is extremely important for anti-aging. So what is glycation? It's when excess sugar in your body attaches to collagen and elastin fibers, making your skin stiff, wrinkled, and aged. Cinnamon helps control blood sugar spikes, which prevents collagen damage. So basically, it protects your collagen. And let's be honest, we all consume sugar or carbs daily in some form. So this ingredient becomes very important. Now, how to use it? Add 1 cinnamon stick to warm water and let it infuse. Best taken after meals or in the evening. Ingredient number 2. Fenugreek seeds. Hormone plus gut support. This ingredient is highly underrated but incredibly powerful for women. Fenugreek contains phytoestrogens and amino acids that support skin thickness, hydration, and collagen strength. When estrogen levels fluctuate, your skin ages faster. Fenugreek helps stabilize that. It also improves gut health, which is very crucial because no matter how healthy your food is, if your gut is not absorbing nutrients properly, your skin won't benefit. So how to use it? Soak 1 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds overnight and drink the water in the morning on an empty stomach. And also eat those soaked fenugreek seeds. Ingredient number 3, chia seeds. The omega-3 skin repair. They are rich in omega-3 fatty acids and minerals that support skin repair and reduce inflammation. Inflammation is one of the biggest causes of premature aging. So how to use chia seeds? Soak 1 spoon of chia seeds overnight. Take it in the morning or with smoothies, fruits, or lemon water. Ingredient number 4, trace mineral salt. Yes, for real hydration. Now this one is very important. Trace mineral salt, not regular salt. Collagen formation requires proper hydration, but hydration only works when minerals are present. Minerals like magnesium, zinc, and potassium are essential for collagen synthesis. Plain water can actually flush minerals out of your body. How to use it? Add a small pinch of high-quality mineral salt to your water. Best taken in the first half of the day. Sometimes when you feel tired, stressed, or weak, it's actually dehydration, not hunger. Ingredient number 5, green tea. Collagen protector. Last but not the least, green tea, including matcha. Green tea is one of the most researched anti-aging drinks. It contains EGCG, a powerful antioxidant that protects collagen, reduces inflammation, blocks collagen breakdown, and improves skin elasticity. It doesn't create collagen directly, but it creates the perfect environment for collagen to thrive. And that is real anti-aging, creation plus preservation. How to use it? You can drink green tea anytime during the day, but avoid late evenings due to mild caffeine. You don't need to start everything at once. Start small. Be consistent. Be kind to yourself. Don't stress out, because stress increases cortisol and we want to reduce it. So stay positive. Look in the mirror and say, I am the most beautiful person in the world, and believe it, because it will work for you. Until next time, take care of yourself, and I'll see you in the next video.